We are live. Welcome to this presentation today. My name is Pat Ogidi, and I'm going to be the anchor person here today. And of course, I would love to know your name and where exactly you are tuned in from. If you're on PC, by the right hand side of the screen, there is a question box there. Type in your name and where you are watching us from. It could be that your name is Jude, you're watching from Daura Hills, or your name is Eliezer from Okigwe in Imo State. Whatever, just type it in there so I know I'm actually on here today with human beings and not bots. Alright, so once again, welcome to this presentation today. I'll be trying as much as possible not to take much of our time. A lot of people accuse me, saying I say this all the time and I go ahead, making them sit at a place to watch an hour webinar. And nobody has actually watched any of my trainings, any of my webinars and say, oh, this is not worth my time, right? They wonder how I'm able to hold them to their seats to the end of the event. And I promise to do that today, but in all, I'm doing all I can to make sure the webinar is as short as ever. And that is exactly why I'm going straight to the point right now to kickstart the webinar. As you already know, oh, Jude, you're welcome. Jason, you're welcome. That's my son's name. You're welcome, Jason from Kaduna. All right. One hot product breakthrough webinar. And that is exactly how just one product, not two, not three, not 10, just one super hot product can bring in up to 2 to 3 million naira for you before the year runs out. How just one super hot product can bring in up to 2 to 3 million naira for you before the year runs out. As you already know, the event today, this presentation is brought to you by Pat Ogidi. And as time goes on, maybe you know a bit about Pat Ogidi if you don't already know. I'm assuming a couple of persons may just be their first time watching my presentation. So I'll take out a couple of seconds to really tell you who exactly is this Pat Ogidi. But before that, I just have one goal for this training. I have one goal here. And that goal is to show you how just one product can make you up to 3 million naira before the year runs out. So you can swing into action, make some cash, and end the year on a solid ground. How cool is that? If it is cool, let me see cool in the comment section. Just put in cool in the comment box. Yeah, cool. I just need one and I'll continue. Cool. Awesome. All right, so that's my goal. And if you stay to the end of this event, I'm going to bribe you actually. I mean, it sounds crazy. It's a free event that I'm bribing you to stay to the end. It quakes my heart that I package a lot of information, to be able to reach out to thousands of people around the world. And then somebody somewhere who is not rich yet backs out of the event for whatever reason. I don't care. All right. It quakes my heart because, information that can actually mean a huge difference between how they feel right now, how things are really going for them right now, with how they want it to be. Right? And then somebody is leaving. So I try as much as possible for my own part to make sure you stay to the end. That's why sometimes I make, a claim that if you are not satisfied at the end, I'll pay you for your time. And I've done that a couple of times. All right? Yeah. So if you stay to the end of this very event, I'm going to be giving you something amazing. And of course, the headaches of everybody in e-com is that, you get orders, you are happy, you ship out the orders and they want to go deliver, the delivery company wants to go deliver, the customer suddenly stop picking call. All right. Now I will be telling you, if you stay to the end, how you can deal with those guys who are in that category of not picking calls at the dying minute. Right. Not like they don't pick calls before you ship. Like they respond well. They tell you to bring it. Then when you're on your way to take it to them, they stop picking calls. I will show you that one. Then 2, I'll be showing you how to deal with people who always say, I will get back to you. People who always say, I will get back to you. I will giving you a code, a secret line of code that once you drop it, it sends confusion in their portals until they come and buy or go for that product. And that's not all. If you stay to the end, I'm going to be showing you this product that's is blurred here right now, how you can make 2 to 3 million naira from this particular product. Like I will take you through a practical step-by-step formula that you can start applying starting from tonight to make this money. Any amount you want. As a matter of fact, 2 to 3 million is just to be mild. You see the figures people are doing in the course of this presentation. Some of my students' testimonial, you're going to see every of these things today. So I'll be showing you this one product and how you can actually make money from it. Now, the question on your mind right now, I know, is what makes this presentation different? I mean, I've attended a lot of presentations. Why is this one different? What is Pat trying to tell me now that it's different? Well, what makes it different is the goal. The goal is that it helps you to make money to be able to end the year on a solid, note. Like, you don't want to end the year wishing you have all the money, wishing you would have done this. I mean, imagine what extra 2 to 3 million naira. And as a matter of fact, if you are hungry enough like I am, you can make up to 5, 10. Right? There's no limit to amount you can make. It all depends on you. But on a worst case scenario, if you follow everything you learned today, imagine extra 2 to 3 million naira in your life. How would that help? How would that help your life? Just let's leave it there. That question is for you to answer. And then if you think you're the only one here watching this yourself, then you are kidding. You are joking, because we've had over 3,000 people register for this very event you are watching. I'm talking about people who register as at the time I was preparing this slide, right? Now that means a lot of persons may have jumped in. Remember, a lot of people love dime minute stuff, right? So you have every other person watching with you. So every person, these are number of persons who want to learn these things. Yes, and nobody wants to carry last, Abi. So back to me, Pat Ogidi. Who exactly is this Pat Ogidi? What makes him qualified to teach you something about e-commerce, mini importation business? Well, Pat Ogidi is generally referred to as the Grand Commander of Mini Importation Business in Africa. Now, I didn't give myself that name. It's an award, actually, an award bestowed on me by the American Business School in conjunction with Afrinet Solution in what they call .com Awards. That was in 2014, yeah. And then I have over 250,000 people who read from me. I'm not talking about Facebook fan or Twitter followers. I'm talking about email subscribers, people who willingly give their names and their email to me to be able to receive and they're not unsubscribed, not like a bot email. So over 250,000 of them as at date. And I've coached over 100,000 of these people. And when I say 100,000, it's actually to keep it mild. I don't really like blowing numbers. If you know, if you're close to me, I'm just like that, yeah. And did backend sales of up to 5 million in 4 days for a lot of customers, for a lot of marketers and friends, yeah. And then imported products all over 250 million naira and has done over 500 million naira in profits doing so. So that's a bit about Pat Ogidi. And Pat Ogidi, before the advent of webinars and a whole lot of stuff, Pat Ogidi used to organize trainings, physical trainings, yeah, physical trainings. But technology has actually made that almost unnecessary, because right now you sit at your home, you organize trainings, and 3,000 persons are watching around the world. So, but when I was doing trainings, physical trainings, this is what the hall looks like. And yes, this is not a free training; they are all paid. And we have over 400 people in this hall, somewhere in Ogba, Lagos. Okay. Then, what else about Pat Ogidi? Okay, he's a family man who doesn't joke with his family, and of course, that's actually one of the motivation. As a matter of fact, top on the list, making him do the things he do, making him teach people, impact lives, make money. That's the ginger, the motivation. Yeah, and that's my sweet wife there, Jenny. Jenny, the most beautiful wife in life ever created. Yeah. Okay, and then I have 2 damsels, and then a son, Jason. By the right hand side is Nicole, by the right hand side is Jadel, by the left hand side is Nicole, my stubborn, sweet girl, daughter. All right. Now, have you noticed something? Everyone is now an e-com coach. I don't know why. Everyone is now an e-com coach. It didn't tire me, to be very honest. Like, everybody is now an e-com coach. Then sometimes I ask, who are the people now learning from these gurus and coaches claiming, on social media, claiming to do a lot of things and get a lot of overnight results and riches and all that? Everyone is now a guru. Everyone is now an FB expert, throwing FB as screenshot here and there. I'm not against anybody, but then you feel infringed or whatever, that's fine. But then, why are these things necessary? Are they really necessary? Are there no difference between, why would I even want to keep putting in your face that I'm good at something that I know I'm good at? You make money, you are rich, it is you and your people that enjoy it. It's you at home who knows this true situation of things. So what joy does it really give people coming out there to paint a different wrong picture of who they are not? But that's not why we are here though, but it quakes my heart. And the annoying result is that a lot of fake information out there, a lot of fake information go out there. Imagine somebody, I think somebody was telling somebody complaining about, late shipment from China the other day that I should use DHL. And I read that somewhere and I didn't want to really come in so it doesn't look like, oh, you Vasabi and all that. Why would you tell somebody to use DHL? Somebody that wants to make profit from the small capital investment he has today. So a lot of information out there. That is why it's difficult to differentiate between the noise and the substance these days. But today, in my own little way, I'm going to try my best to demystify a whole lot of these things and give you the true situation of things. Now, whatever you hear me say here today may not be too, sweet to the ear, but they are the facts and realities on ground that you need to follow if you want to make headway. You don't want to go with somebody who sweet mouths you, and then at the end of the day, you gain nothing. You lose money, right? So you should be happy that you have somebody here doing that for you, right? And that is, of course, why I'm the pioneer of e-commerce and mini importation business in Nigeria. If I don't say the truth, then who will? If I don't say it the way it is, then who will? Now, I'll be debunking some of these wrong, shitty informations from my solid over 10 years of trials, errors, discoveries, success stories. Not just mine, but thousands of people who have learned from me. Like, you should know that if somebody has been in a thing for a long time, I mean, the person will be good at it. No, in fact, the person will get attention, whether you like it or not. That is why people like Chris Annie gets my respect. He's been talking about crypto since God knows when. I said, this guy who keeps talking about crypto, I know nothing about crypto, right? But this guy who keeps talking about crypto should know much about crypto. He must be so. Then he won an award, Binance Award. I wasn't even surprised. He's gonna win. I know he's gonna win that. Then another person, Obonga Blog, Jide Okunsanya, who has been blogging since God knows when. Like the days of Blogspot, Obonga Blog have been doing the same thing over and over again. Then my friend Ronald Zimmer has been doing copywriting since I knew him, and you can't mention copywriting in Nigeria, in Africa, without talking about him. All right. So then I have also Abinda Kinwale, who has been doing Amazon book publishing for a whole lot before I even met him in 2009 or so. I mean, there's no way you spend a good amount of time in something and you'll be good at it. Personally, results for me don't come. I don't believe in overnight results. Something must have built up to make it look like it's an overnight, but it's not. So whatever you're getting from me today is a result of over 10 solid years of trials, errors, losses, discoveries, and success stories in the game. Despite all of this info, right? Despite all of this info out there, all of these gurus putting out content out there, 90% of folks are yet to come up to cross the 1 million naira per month mark. Doesn't it bother you? Despite everybody claiming to be e-com gurus, many potential rock stars. Yes, 96% of folks says they have never, done 1 million naira in a month. They've not crossed that 1 million naira in a month mark. How did I know? You question it. How did I know? Recently, I ran a survey. I just thought one night I ran a survey among my subscribers. I wanted to find out what exactly, like, I may be assuming that everybody's making money. Let me just find out what exactly the true situation of things is, right? So I ran a survey, okay? And the results blew my brain open, right? This is a section of that survey, and the question for this particular question was, did you cross the 1 million naira per month mark? Now imagine 96% of the over 200 person who responded to this particular question says no, right? And that's like 192 out of 201 person. Only 4% of this number, that's about 9 of them, said yes. All right, and then, I mean, this should represent exactly what the true situation is out there. Now, if 96 persons have not made 1 million naira, they've not been able to cross 1 million naira per month mark in their e-com business, then we can't, I don't know why there should be this noise here, right? So that's exactly one of the reasons that I decided to, let me just put out this information out there so that anybody who wants the truth can bounce on this and use it, for themselves, right? Then I went ahead to now ask, what would you say was the reason you didn't make that? Now watch. This is even the craziest part. No effective way to sell. 51% says no effective way to sell. This is very legit. I mean, they weren't taught how to sell. Maybe they were taught how to import from AliExpress, China. But how to sell? You can't import and not sell it. It's a waste of money. That's over 98 of them. 98 of them says no effective way to sell. Then 63, which is about 33%, says wrong products. Then 31% says no idea, maybe village people. These are the people who scatter my head more. Like, but I don't blame them because the gurus have promised them, you're gonna do this, you're gonna get this, you're gonna become rich overnight, you're gonna buy Benz, you're gonna do this, you're gonna make mama proud. A whole lot of talks here and there. But then, all of those things, they may have followed it judiciously and no result was forthcoming. So they had to believe it's village people. But then again, I don't believe there is anything like that actually. I mean, I might be wrong, but if you are ready to unlearn and start learning from, from this presentation today, then you would have a reason to really, send me one of the messages you'll be reading. Some of these messages you'll be reading from people. Send a message like that in a very short time. I love receiving such messages telling me that, oh, you've been able to do this for yourself, move to a bigger house, buy this thing for yourself from the e-commerce, from trainings like this. And no, all these things don't come easy. Like I wasn't born with them. Like I said, I've been in this for over 10 years. Picking with them born since 10 years. Some don't they do bad things, right? We've been in this. It's over 10 years, all right? Had it very rough. Imported rubbish products, shitty products, then had no way to sell, no vital, variables, like a whole lot of things, a whole lot of hits here and there that have made us know exactly what to now say. This is what works. Go and do it. But today, I'm going to be, changing all of this, a bad experience for you. I'm going to be changing a whole lot of things for you, right? And I'm going to be showing you how just one super hot product can bring in up to 2 to 3 million naira for you before the year runs out. Do you really want to learn this? Let me not just assume for you that, hey, you want to learn this, you're excited. No. Tell me, do you want to learn this? Type yes in the comment section, the question box right there. So I know exactly you want to learn this. Or if you don't want to learn it, maybe I should just close and go my way. I just need maybe 1 or 2. Yeah. I just need 1 or 2. Awesome. Good. So if you really want to learn this, like I can see a lot of yeses in the comment section. If you really want to learn this, then you owe it as a duty to yourself and to your God, whatever you believe in, to make sure you kill every form of distraction that will take off your attention from this presentation today by turning off your cell phone. Assuming it's not your cell phone you're watching the presentation from, turn it off, keep it off, put it in silent, put it face down. If it's your phone, make sure it is your phone that it is this presentation that you are only watching right now, devoted to right now. Shut down social media accounts, turn off TVs if you have one, grab your pen and paper and pay 100% rapt attention. Why? Because you are in for something huge. But before I tell you, I go further. Like I said, you should have questions somehow. If you're on PC, you see a box like this by the right hand side. Type in the question where it says then your question here, like under comment, and then click send questions and I will get it, right? I'll take my time to answer them at the end of the event. If I don't, then I would reply you by mail. There's a system would forward it to my mail and I'll reply you by mail. But keep the questions coming. They are very, very necessary. Okay? So now pay attention. Rapt attention. Because what you're about to learn can not only help you generate an almost easy 2 to 3 million naira before the end of the year, but can help you build a steady 5, 6, 7. Watch it. 5, 6, 7. You can choose whether you're okay with 5 or 7 or 9 or 10. There's no limit per month generating business going forward. And this is not like I'm just reading novel or talking nonsense. This is something that has been working for people. People who send me unsolicited messages, who see me by the road and say, are you Mr. Patrick? I should hug you and all that. Right? And this is from one Williams. He specifically said, I can use his story to inspire others, but I should hide his identity. I understand and I respect that. I'll have to take my time to read this. He said this some time ago. He said, dear Pat, I want to thank God, you and Mr. Olaide Ali for helping this year. Yes, I brought Olaide to my platform one time to come and share a secret in the e-com world too. He said, in fact, I was told things would turn around. If I was told things would turn around for me quickly, I would doubt with every energy in me. 2008 December, from my small 50,000 naira salary, I squeezed out almost 300k to pay for the e-com course you offer. Okay, 30k to pay for the e-com course you offer. I had to manage 20k with 3 kids. Bro, you know easy. Yes, it's not easy. Success is not easy. Yeah. I began slowly putting into practice the things you and Mr. Olaide taught me. This is the part that I love most. You can buy the best of courses from me without putting into practice my course. That's actually one of the difference. That's actually one way I'm different from others. I tell you, if you can buy my course, yes, they're good. But if you don't put it into practice, ask questions, get what you're supposed to get, is support, you're not going to make any money. I don't tell you, buy my course and your life will change. No, you have to really put in the work. Then, with support from us, then this will. And I said, I used one of the tricks in the course to import a product that was not sold in Nigeria. I love this. I tell my people, Look for a product that will make you a millionaire. Don't look for something somebody is already doing. Yeah, I bought for 142 naira in China and sold for 75 in Nigeria. This guy doesn't like money. He's selling for 75. A product is not in Nigeria, right? Somebody like us will sell for 75, and with good marketing, they will buy it. I'll be showing you exactly how today. Then he continued. I have sold this product for 7 months now. Imagine one product has sold for 7 months, and I must be ungrateful still if I don't say thank you to God and Mr. Laide. I have moved out of my 2-room facing Aquario apartment in Port Harcourt into a 3-bedroom flat in Lagos. Like, he moved from Port Harcourt to Lagos. When I go stop am, anybody who makes money, they come to Lagos. Lagos is getting too much traffic. Please stay in your Port Harcourt at your place and enjoy your money. Yeah? That's the lighter note though. Said I've made over 5 million naira from this single product, and I believe 2020 is going to be even bigger banger. When I saw your 2-in-1 offer for less than 10k, I just laughed and brought out my ATM card to pay because I know it will be packed with value. That's Williams. Said I should leave out his name, so I'm not putting in the second name. That's from Williams. Unsolicited testimonial. Alright? And then he went ahead to send me a screenshot of his bank statement. Oh, nobody does this. They don't do this anyhow. It doesn't come anyhow. Where he has over 5 million naira lodgements, and you can see the opening balance of 358 naira. Now, I'm not saying you must make 5 million naira, but if this doesn't serve as a motivation to you to believe that whatever situation you find yourself in, this guy is having 356 naira in his account, and he's able to take action and do something and look at the result. If you have this kind of determination, you can get this kind of result. But if you think that, oh, you can wake up one morning, check your balance and see something like this, then this training and presentation is not for you. You can leave. Yes, you can. So if you are ready to really take action, then be with me. I will show you what should work for you. Now, this it didn't start happening today. The rain did not start falling today. It's been falling for a long time, right? And now this is Mrs. Ruth Alenomo, who finally became a family friend, because of kind of result. Now, one thing about me is, if you're getting result if you're taking action from what you learn from me, I tend to even lose sleep because of you. It's just natural. But if you're not, and you're wanting me to come to your house and be beating you to take action to better your own life, then I will help you stay far. All right? That is just me. Yeah. So he said, good morning, Mr. Pat, but let's forget about that. He said, after buying your income tycoon course months ago, we saw that missing link. Now we sell 100k daily, like 100 fucking k daily. We tried a product within 24 hours, Mr. Pat. Believe me, I know you will. We have already sold 250k. Now the next plan is to sell 8 million in 3 months by next year. And I know they must have surpassed this. I don't want to waste all our time here. And from him again, from the same guy, from the same lady, he said 99k delivered Saturday, 79,700 just this morning. Courier company coming to pick them up. I will snap the man and send to you too. I'm doing this so you know that what you are doing works. I know it works, and it should work for you too if you pay close attention and take action ultimately. Jesus said, yeah, he went to the Bible. He's a very church woman. Mr. Pat, we do what you teach and making more researches. We believe in you. Hope you don't mind we call you a brother. Yes, you are my brother, man. Then she went ahead to send me, I think, delivery, whatever, proofs and all that. Now, enough of them. I mean, you're enough of these people. Not like we are jealousing them. We're happy for them. But what about you? Let's take the attention on you now. Let's put the attention on you. And let's show you how just one super hot product can bring in up to 2-3 million naira for you before the year winds down. Now, before we get to that, it is important I make these points very clear. My lawyers always want me to do. Alright? Results are not typical. If you have MMM mentality or mentality of bring 2,000 naira, get 24,000 naira in 24 hours, please leave here. This is not for you. Alright? So, I will do my best to walk you through this system we are using to get these results. But understand that my result and the ones you see me share or the ones you think I have, alright, and that of my other students are not typical. The average person who attends any training gets 0 results, let alone a free training like this. So, it is the onus of you to attend, take action. However, I'm happy to show you exactly what's working for me for free in this training. You didn't pay to attend this training, right? So, for free, actually. More so, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a crypto scam, any of these e-magicians or for amateurs. This is what it is. Business. So, if you're ready, let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's go straight to the 3 points. Can we? Now, 2 important, things in that statement. 1 super hot product. 1 super hot product. Then, bringing up to 2-3 million naira before the end of the year for you. Right? Say for me. For me. 2-3 million naira before the end of the year. For me. Right? For me. In the comment section. For me. Awesome. Now, let's break this down a bit. breaking them down. What makes a product hot? What thing they make product hot? Is it anything, a product you bring out of fire or a product you put on fire? What do you think makes a product hot? What? Can somebody tell me what he thinks made a product hot? Oh, a product sells very well. Okay, let's see. What makes a product hot? Sourcing these products at the cheapest possible price. Then how to sell it? Because you could get the hottest product on earth, source it at the very cheapest possible price and bring it in here, as fast as possible without selling it. Is even better you don't even sell them. The good thing is sell them as fast as possible so that you can turn over and go back, get more products and make more money. Now, other variables, these are not just all to get to that success. There are other variables that make the difference. Now, let's fast check something. Can people pay anything for it? That should be the first question to answer that question about hot products. Can people pay anything for it? Right? What actually makes a product hot? Now, these are a couple of things. It must appeal to needers and not just wanters. Wanters are those who want to drive Lamborghini. They do nothing. They are on Facebook saying, my Oluwa will bless me. God will do one for me. This one. But they do nothing. They have no plan. They have no strategic plan to really reach that goal. So those guys are wanters. Even if you like carry Lamborghini and advertise in their domots, they will not buy because they don't have the money. So we're talking about hot product, meaning a product that appeals to needers. I have this money, I need this, I buy it. That is a hot product. Alright? It must help people solve or at least cover a bit real perennial problems, conditions. When I say perennial, problem that persists. Mouth odor is a perennial problem. There's nowhere in the holy books that says in the year 2025, mouth odor will stop, or infertility will stop, or bad hair will stop, or premature ejaculation of small prick will stop. No, these are perennial problems that have been there before we came and will always be there. So it must help solve some kind of perennial problem. Security problems are perennial problems. Even in the olden days when there were no big cities like this, there were still security problems. Some towns going to fight other towns. So there were problems. Yeah? Then it should help people achieve a particular result faster. It may be that something else is giving them result or they are getting result naturally, but then this product, the hot product, should help them achieve that result faster. And in most cases, should be the closest, best, cheaper alternative to another highly priced option. Somebody knows that this thing sells for 500k, but his salary is 40, 50k every month. Even if he save for 5 years with every wahala on top of the salary, he will not be able to afford that. So, if there's a cheaper option that does the same thing or likely the same thing, the person will go for it. No, the person will not get money for Benz of 27 million. They buy other small cars of 5 million, 3 million. Of course, because if you have more money, you buy a better car. Yeah, so in most cases, this should be the hot product should be the closest, best, cheaper alternative to another highly priced option. Now, do you think an overweight lady can pay for a new solution to weight loss challenges and a better body build? Yes, because forget, some will say body go, they like their body like that. The truth is, if they find a solution and the money, they would go for that solution. Alright, so ladies can use their school fees to make their hair. I have them in the house very well, so I know what I'm talking about. Or they take care of acne or stretch marks in their body. It's just natural. Don't blame them. Now, between a hair growth spray and a wristwatch, which do you think a bald-headed guy would spend his available 25k on? He go want treat in hair growth wahala first before wristwatch. That is the basic truth. A guy with a non-functional, a non-efficient tool will have no issues coughing out his last 30k to buy Kola Kalagbo hair. You don't want to know the kind of money that company is making. Kola Kalagbo people buying hair, because nobody wants to be seen as that weak guy in the bed, right? What about that only son whose mom suffers from arthritis? Like, you are the only son, you have 20k or you can afford 20k, and you see a solution that says 20k. You've heard that people take their moms to India, to this one, to go and do some kind of advanced medication and all that, but you don't have that money. But you now see somebody who's able to convince you that his product, which is selling for 20k, that can almost do the same thing as taking your mommy to India or wherever, can do the same thing, and you have 20k, you will buy it. You should be getting the point now. Are you getting the point? Yes. Yes, 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 or no, as the case may be. Are you getting my point? Where I'm drifting to. Now, that should take us to the 3 super hot quick cash products to focus on. There are lots of these products to focus on, but here I'm focusing on 3. Remember, we have a goal to make 2 to 3 million naira before the year runs out. Right? There are about 4 or 5 hot products I deal with, but I'm talking about 3 here, and I'll be giving you reasons why this trade should be a good one to roll with. Now, hot product 1, weight loss and better body products still rock. They still rock. No matter how you think they've been whitewashed, saturated everywhere, the truth is, people get, as a matter of fact, the rate people, add weight these days, especially since the COVID-19 thing is alarming. So products like that will always sell. It's just for you to position yourself well with the right marketing to be able to grab your own share. And I'll give you a case study, a very sweet one. And this is about my students who doesn't stay in Nigeria. For this guy doesn't stay in Nigeria. By the way, some of you think, oh, I'm in Kafanchan. I see a lot of people read my mail from the US, and some say, so tell themselves, oh, I'm not in Nigeria. It will be hard for me to do this. How can I do this? This guy is not in Nigeria. He's in Africa, one of these African countries, right? That doesn't speak English, right? This guy sells in that country and in Nigeria. Don't say because he's in Nigeria. No, you can sell anywhere you want to sell. The internet has provided a level playing ground and made everywhere a village, a global village. Yeah. So this guy was selling a weight loss tea, which you already know. This weight loss tea, it's everywhere. 28 days detox is everywhere. I think it's selling about $2 or thereabout. That's what they buy from there. Then he was selling 15K. All of a sudden, still started dwindling. And then the truth was, everybody have seen it. Naturally, what we keep seeing around and everything, we tend to believe in our head that this doesn't work because that's why it's everywhere, right? And he kept on complaining. My funnel is wasting. What do I do? I said, really? It is not. The truth is, people, because before a product works for you, it must have worked in your head somehow. If you have this belief that it will not work, that it's likely that product will not work for you. So if you can rebrand this same product, same content in another name, flashy name, and sell to them, they will, it's working. It's like I'm seeing result. Yes, that's a psychology. I don't know. It's just psychology. But what I told him was, get this product by the right hand side, since it's still your weight loss thing, right? Is an open brand, like you can come in and print your own brand and sticker on it. So he bought it, printed his own brand, pasted it on the product, and that's all. He started selling again. What does that show us? That yes, that market is hot and forever will be. Case closed. Now, what about home gym equipments? I know a couple of guys that are doing millions selling home gym equipments. I know the craziest thing, they source this product from Nigeria. They sell each of these products as high as 150K, 300K, 800K, and people buy them. Even if he's selling just 2 or 3 every day or 5 every week, he's on mega money. People have added weight. I was talking about the weight loss niche, the health niche. People have added weight. Now, it is home gym equipment because it is easy to say I'm going to gym to register. I've registered more than 5 times. I could not go for more than a week. The last one I paid 4 months. I said I must go. I went for 1 week. I got tired. I did not go. My money wasted. Now, if I find something, all those tools that I can put somewhere in my house and I can, my spare time, if I'm seeing it every day and then I don't need to walk or drive to the gym or something, then I'll be forced to. That is the reason people buy these things. And guess what? These things are cheap out there. You can bring them in with a good marketing and packaging, sell the hell out of them. Now, hot product number 2, skincare products. I don't need to stress this enough. You should know why skincare product will always sell. It will always sell because the skin is like what people see. And people, especially ladies, they want, even guys now are conscious about their skin. They want, when you see them, your skin is shining. Please, even if it's joke, don't tell a lady her skin is not shining. She will laugh, but then deep down she's boiling. Because I know, if my wife goes to make her hair, she will come back and maybe busy. Maybe she will come and go around and stuff. I didn't comment on her hair, your hair is fine. Or then later she will remind me, oh, your kids told me, mommy, your hair is very beautiful. Now you did not tell me. They take this thing serious. It may sound very weird to, people like us who don't care, but for these people, they take it. So skincare is a hot niche. That's why on Instagram, there's a lady who kills the market. Like, he does a lot. He does his skin products here in the country. But it's a huge market. That shows you it's a huge market. And the fact remains that people haven't stopped finding solutions to their skin issues. If you come in and position yourself rightly, you make money from this. Of course, people are just tired of the old past gel. What do they now want? Right? They are tired of the old past gel, the old eye fatigue past gel. Then the solution is, why not sell something new and eye-catchy like this. Now, this is past gel. If perchance you see this on, oh, I've seen it before, I will not buy it. It doesn't work. That's what. But what if I position something by the right hand side? And guess what? This one by the right hand side is even cheaper than the past gel, but looks more attractive. Good packaging. Are you getting the point? Yes, no, in the comment section. Are you getting the point? Are you getting my point right now? Now, let's go to hot product number 3, security gadgets. We're talking about one product, but I'm giving you 3 products that this one product can come from. Security gadgets. I know a lad, a very cool guy, right? A big guy, who is worth millions of naira, like multi-millionaire from selling security gadgets. He dabbled into a lot of e-commerce products and settled with security gadgets. He's building a brand around security gadgets. And I don't need to tell you why security is very important. It's an old saying, security first. Alright, now the truth is, people everybody wants to have CCTV, but who has 500k, 300k, 150k to install a CCTV? Now, would you not say because I don't have 150k, I shouldn't, be security conscious? Now, you now look out for smaller, cheaper alternative. Smaller, cheaper alternative. Now, remember a video that went viral at the time, a nanny caught in a hidden camera, abusing a 1.5-year-old baby. Alright? Now, imagine there's no camera there. Alright? It's not only thief that will put camera, will put CCTV for. For your own, if you have a nanny, a house help, how, even out of curiosity, you want to really just find out. Alright? Now, this is that, the baby throwing a small baby down. And if not for this thing, they would have come one day and said the baby has died or something. They wouldn't know that it's actually the wicked, God-forsaken devil of a nanny that is dealing with her. Alright? Now, this is CCTV. I think this is the smallest, the basic one. 8 channels, 120k. But what if you have something, an eye that can also do this CCTV thing? People will go for it, and there is, and that is what is saying on the screen there, right? It is a cam that you just fix somewhere, stick it somewhere in your house, and then it has a space for memory card. You can capture and you can come back and play it back. These things are selling. You would not bought them. That is maybe why you don't. They are selling. People are cashing out from this big time. Right? Now, what about smoke detector? I've had a lot of house fires these days. Smoke detector will perceive if the smoke in the house gets past a certain degree, a certain level, this smoke detector goes off. And you should know that every home will want to get, because everybody wants to learn from somebody's mistake. Nobody wants to be that person through which other people learn, right? Now, how about sourcing these products? I'm ordering them, I'm paying for them. I'll make it very brief. You know AliExpress, right? You know Alibaba, and of course you know System88. But do you actually know how to make good use of these platforms? And of course, the screenshot you're seeing on the screen right now, by the left is Alibaba, the same product. AliExpress, sorry, by the right is 1688, the same product. And the same product on AliExpress sells for $7.8. Right? And on the right hand side sells for 3.8 RMB yuan. That is not dollar. 3.8 RMB, as it should be 3.8 times 60 something. Alright? It's more like 10 times the cost here. So now, can you now see the difference? The difference between buying from AliExpress and Alibaba, especially if you know how to source all these products cheaply. Alright? Somebody might be buying from AliExpress, bringing it to Nigeria, and you'll be buying from Alibaba, bring it to Nigeria, and then you're selling at the same price. You can't make the same profit. There's a difference between profit and profit. Yeah? Now, there's also a difference between profit and profit. Now, imagine 1688 that you need to buy from China, ship it, all the headaches, wait, it comes in, you pay for this one and all that. Now, imagine you can get that same product, instead of buying for that same product, you are quick, you want to make money sharp. You just pay, you go online in Nigeria, and you pay, and then they ship it to you in Nigeria in 10 days, without paying for shipping, nothing. How cool is that? This is local sourcing. You buy it from a platform in Nigeria here, the same products, selling for 4,899. I think it's cheaper somewhere as well. I think it's about 2,900 or something. I don't know what this one is for. But the point I'm trying to make is there is always a way out of this things, a way around these things. It's cheaper on 1688 versus AliExpress. Then on AliExpress again, on 1688 again, it's cheaper, but then you can take away all the headaches, all the wahalas, and then buy it locally here at even cheaper rates. It's showing 4,899 here, but I actually saw one for 2,899, and I think I'll get to that shortly as well. Now, let's take a look at how you can effectively and quickly sell these products. Because if you have the best of products at the cheapest rate possible, without an effective way to sell it, you are wasting your time. As a matter of fact, don't even try if you get stuck or stop at that point. because it's just wasting of money. Remember, our goal is to tidy quick 2 to 3 million naira. Remember, then how to sell? How do you sell? Of course, you know where. Facebook. Facebook is not the only platform to sell. Don't get it wrong. Facebook is one of the only places where you can start advertising with as little as 500 naira. Now, even if your excuse have been all your life that you are broke, you don't have money, and then you run into 2K to run the advert, you can start running it on Facebook. Other platforms require, a basic entry that is huge. Something like, let's say, 200,000 naira, you can start running ad. All right? If you don't have 150, you can start running ad. But with Facebook, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, you can start running. That's why it looks like everybody is going to Facebook. And of course, Facebook is huge. If it's to be a country, I think it should be the second largest country in the world. All right? So the earlier you learn how to really run Facebook ad, get the best from it, the better for you. But then I'll throw a quick points about Facebook, what issues people have with Facebook, so that, you guide against that when you're running Facebook ad, right? So issues with how a lot of people sell on Facebook. I think the first one is whack creatives, ad images. Now, when you see an ad on Facebook, what you see almost first is the video or the image. If those two are not catchy, then you're wasting your time. Because people are not on Facebook. Nobody logs on to Facebook to come and buy your product. They log on to Facebook to come and keep boredom while away time or connect and chat with friends. So your ad is an interruption. So if it's not an interruption worth it, then it's rubbish. Nobody will give you a second look. Right? So you have to make sure that the interruption is, oh, thank God I'm interrupting. I love this thing. They will forget everything and then they will click through and read through your material, go to your landing page and buy your product. Right? So whack creatives, guide against that. Your creative should be on point. Then there's also trying to sell alcohol to my friend Olaide Alim. Many of them try to sell alcohol to my friend Olaide Alim. Olaide Alim is a devout Muslim. Like, I know a lot of other bad things he does, but you see alcohol. Even on gunpoint, I can swear that Olaide cannot taste alcohol. So imagine you now trying to force Olaide to buy alcohol. You're wasting your time. That's the wrong target. So a lot of people target wrongly on this Facebook platform. You know your product you're selling, and then you should know the kind of people who are likely to buy your product. It's your job to find out people who love the kind of products and then where they are on Facebook, what to really key in to get to them, right? Then the next one is sleepy copy. Even the copy in your Facebook ad is sleepy. There's nothing to ginger. I mean, some people don't like putting prices in their it's rubbish because you're selling at the end of the day. If you make it look like it's free and they get your site and they see that you have a price to it, then you're wasting their time. And they leave your site and it's not good for Facebook rating. Facebook may ban that account because of the what do they call it again? Yeah, people coming back to your from your website to Facebook, clicking the back button. You don't want that. So your copy should state everything. 15K payment on delivery, or we don't deliver to certain locations. Let it out there, and then above all, your copy should be sweet and straight to the point. Then no testing enough. Oh, you do 2,000, I didn't get any other, and then you stop. I mean, that's like I don't know, the craziest thing I've heard. You don't even know if you've targeted the right person with your because you've spent 2K and you feel, oh, you have to test. The name of the game is testing. Test. You find a spot where you know, oh, this is what works for this. You hit it, and then that's how you start making this money. Most don't have funnels for pros that are funnel level. They just want to make that one time, money, and then it goes there. That is the wrong way, in my opinion. And then most don't have, back end offers. They only sell front end. You spend 500 naira, 1,000 naira to get a customer, and then the only product you're selling them is just that 10,000 naira product or 15,000 naira product. That's crazy. That's like telling the world that you don't need money. That's like telling nature that I don't need money. And then you're wasting money. Now, somebody could come and buy your 15K product in your thank you page. In the thank you page, after filling the form, offer them a product and make it mouth-watering. Find a story to make that product, to make it look like, yes, you are doing them a favor by offering them more products, because you're going to ship it together with the product they bought already, so it's going to be cheap. That's why it's cheap. Just find a product that relates exactly with that same product you're selling and bundle them and put them together. That's what they sell. For example, if you're selling a weight loss tea, for example, they fill your form, buy a weight loss tea for 15,000 naira, and then they land on a page, the thank you page, that you cannot put in all these ropes, all this what they call it, anything that will help them get faster results. Bundle them together. You can price them for 7K, 5K, 10K, 15K, 50K, depending on the value. And then tell them you are shipping them together. That's why the charges is fair. If they miss it now, they're not going to see it again. So if they are okay with it, they can put them together. Just say yes and put them together, and then they pay. you make more. Like instead of now making 15K from that customer, you are making maybe 30,000 naira or 20,000 naira, right? So this is one mistake I see a lot of people don't do as regards Facebook ads. Now, how do we solve these problems? Okay, now I will illustrate this with a product. Remember, I promised you that I'm going to show you one product you can actually start selling and implementing what you learned here today, and see exactly how we can do at least 3 million for me before. So we're going to be doing some kind of mathematics right now. So you have to pay close attention. If you have a pen, pull it out. We're going to do some mathematics right now. Are we ready? Yes, in the comment section. Are we ready? Awesome, good. So let's go. Now this is the product. Remember, I told you I put 4 something there, but I think it's actually 2,908, and this is from a Nigerian site. You can actually buy it in Nigeria. It takes about 10 days. They will send it to you in Nigeria. And if you calculate all the rigors and the headaches and everything, it might even be cheaper sourcing it from this platform, because you can buy 100, you can buy 50, and then they can just bring it to you in 10 days. Yes, 10 days averagely what it also take you to bring from China with all the headaches, and even end up paying more, right? So talk about local sourcing. This is what we're talking about. So let's say the product sells for 2,980 naira. Now we'll be selling the same product for 15K. We don't want to get greedy, even though I don't advise you become too cheap, right? But just stay cool to see our profit margin and all. So we sell this product for 15,000 naira, very cheap. Yeah, I made it very cheap so that you not say you used a higher figure. So that no, so that I mean, even if you use a lower figure and say, oh, I'm not selling because of my price, my breakdown here analysis will still make sense, right? So breaking it down, cost of product 2,980. They are shipping it from Nigeria too, so it's cheap. They don't shipping fee is very minor, very small. You can even go to the office and pick it up if you like, and waive all the shipping wahala. Cost of selling one 500 naira. As a matter of fact, somebody posted that he was selling a product for 45 naira, 50 naira, 100 naira, 200 naira the other day. I doubled my Facebook ad guy doubled between 70 naira to 150, 200, and that's fine by me. All right, but let's say you are doing work, you're not too good, you're spending 500 to sell one product. All right, cost of delivery on the average should be like 1.5. Is lesser in some places. If they're in your city, you can go and deliver yourself without paying anything. Use 100 naira, 200 naira bus and come back and do your thing, right? So cost of products, cost of selling, cost of delivery. Okay, now total expenses is 4,480. Right, and gross profit, the profit you make after taking off all the expenses is 10,020 naira. Let's just say 10,000 naira. Now, to target the 3 million naira we need, to target the 3 million naira like we've been talking about, we need to sell 300 pieces. 300 pieces. Right? Now, how can we sell 300 pieces? It sounds like it's a very big one. How can I sell 300 pieces? Is this one? Is this one? No, you're not going from door to door. The internet setup, what you set up online, is doing the selling for you. So it's very even easier. But let's assume that 300, let's break it down a bit. Let's break it down. 300 pieces is like 100 pieces per month. Yeah, 100 pieces per month. And that amounts to an average of 4 pieces per day. Do you know that if you're selling 4 pieces per day, it sounds out there like you are not doing well. But do you know that with these 4 pieces per day, you are still 3 million naira, sitting on 3 million naira comfortably to do 3 million naira in 3 months. 4 pieces per day. That's actually a very poor result. Please, this is just an analysis. Don't base what you'll be doing with 4 pieces, because I'm going to beat you if you come to me and tell me you base it on 4 pieces. You can actually do 10 as a matter of fact. Now the big question is selling 4 pieces per day too difficult if you are serious about becoming 3 million naira richer before the end of the year? Yes or no? Please, if you say no, if you say yes, it's difficult, there's no point continuing. Save your data and go do something else, right? But then, whatever your answer is, the process can further be broken down and simplified as follows. And it's as simple as going to source it from the Nigerian site, right? Then setting up your pages. Setting up pages right now, you don't need a web developer, you don't need to pay anybody. You can actually get your page going. Imagine with 375 naira, you can have a hosting and a domain name that you pay 375 naira every month. But I actually advise people to pay for a whole year, so you know that nothing disturbs you for that whole year. Then you write your copy. Alright? Copy is a huge thing. It's something people will charge you millions to write for you. But then there's a simple format I used to write a copy for my physical products. I have a very good headline. Alright? Then I have a sub headline, which is more like 500 people from this city have used this, and they can't be all 500 people cannot be wrong, right? Then I put an image or video of the product, most time video. Then I put an order button after that video. So the order button would drop down to the order form in case some people who are okay with the video, they want to order from there, they can just click on the order button. It takes them to the form and they fill out the form and they order, right? But then after the order button, I put in how I discovered this. Then I come up with a 10-line story, a very sweet, subtle story that's emotional, that can easily connect with them. How you came about this, and because sometimes if I'm if I want to buy from, why are you selling this? Just to make profit? See, the truth is, people know you make profit, but they don't want to be seen as that guy you take advantage of. So they want to see that you are helping them some kind of. So you have to really connect with them emotionally using the story. Just a 10-line story and you're good. Then testimonials, right? I'm not a fan of fake testimonials. You can go to the AliExpress page of that site, get a similar testimonials and use it there, so that you know that somebody dropped testimonial there on their platform. Then put how to order. One, that if you don't have money, don't order. If you're doing cash on delivery, you state everything there. Then fast action taker bonus, where you now say something like free shipping if you order right now without leaving the site, or buy 2 right now and we'll give you extra 1. Whatever you want to put it, just put something to make them take action immediately. Then after that is the order form. So this is my simple way of writing a sales copy. And I mean, these are still thousands and thousands of stuffs, to be very honest. Then the next thing is run Facebook ad. Yeah, I talked Facebook ad about it already. Then fulfill orders and profits. Rinse, repeat, keep doing it, and you keep making money. As a matter of fact, 2 to 3 million, well planned, you can build a huge business around these things, and it becomes your full-blown gig, something that pays your bills, make you live good life. Right? Now, some persons are saying, sounds simple. I can see that in the comment box already. It sounds so simple, but why am I not getting it, right? They're not putting the why am I not getting it part. But then, I know that's what should follow. It sounds so simple, so why am I not getting it? Now, the truth is, what if those steps can further be simplified to make failing almost impossible? To make failing, for whatever reason, almost non-existent? Is this something you think you would like to learn? If that simple strategy now can further be simplified to make failing almost impossible. And the craziest part is the simplicity may see you doing 3 times that figure. I don't know about others, but I don't know why you should settle for smaller things when you can actually twist a bit of it and then get better results, right? Hence, I did say earlier that this one business model you may forget every other thing for. Yes, I said it earlier. Who says selling 10 pieces daily isn't some easy peasy experience? Who says that? This is something we just started recently, a campaign we just started recently, and I mean, this is 12 orders. We're not even serious about it. As a matter of fact, it's testing mode. We've not scaled it. 12 orders of 25k products in a morning. Watch. It started from 12:49 a.m. till 11:12 a.m. in a morning. Alright? I'm not good at doing all this screenshot thing. Then this is another for 35k product, in a day. I think this is about 49 of them. But then, my Mac can only capture the first one. I don't have all the time to start adding. But these are actually about 49 orders, but we have 15 orders showing in the first, screen here for 35,000 naira products. We are yet to scale these ads. Alright? We are yet to scale these ads. Now, this is from my students, not even mine. This is from my student. I have to show that of my student, right? The guy I told you who sells the weight loss tea, this is his backend. This is the WP form where the order records. Okay? In August 18, in August alone, he has 230, August till now, 237 orders of that product. The other one, 713 orders. I think the first one sells for 15k, the second one sells for 15k, the one that's 816 sells for 17k. Just do your math and tell me what the experience is like. Right? Now imagine that there's an easier and guaranteed way to further make the whole process sweeter and simpler. Imagine if there's actually something like that. Actually, there's a guaranteed way to go about the business with all the support and guidance you ever need. It's very important. You might have all the information without that simple small support. Somebody who says this is what you should do. Please don't do it this way. Then you may not get that result. You may have the information as a matter of fact, but then with that little support, you think doesn't make any sense. It makes a lot of difference for you. All right. So with that kind of guidance and support, you can be 99% sure you are going to make at least 10 million naira or double of that before the year winds down. Now, what if that guidance and support comes in form of a special arrangement that would leave you without excuses? Now, I know that person have excuses. Oh, time, next year I'll start, no money. Now, what if that kind of guidance and support, this kind of arrangement leave you without excuses. Only except you hate money or you enjoy begging and throwing your account details around social media where they are doing giveaways. Shameful thing. Not like but the thing is, if you have a way to make this money like you have right now, there's no reason doing that, because what they give you could be 5k, 10k, and you're making millions of that, or 100 times of that. Why would you settle for less? Now, the special arrangement you're asking, what could it be? Like, your mind is, what could it be? But then I want to know, are you ready for it? Should we call this, should we make it the end of the training and forget about it? I should talk about this. Are you ready for it? Put R in the chat box. R. 1, 2. Good. Now, the special arrangement is something I've called One Product Miracle, 1 p.m. Crazy name, yeah? One Product Miracle, 1 p.m. Now, imagine literally, solidly standing by you to help you get results faster than ever thought possible. Like, no losing sleep over the product to import, no racking your head over how to sell them, not ever having to think about logistics and delivery issues. I would, get that solved for you. Imagine having access to all the FBR swipes that have produced millions. Just plug in and bang big if you're really serious about doing it. Imagine not having to lose sleep even for a second, yet bank up to 2 to 3 million naira before December 30th. That it is crazy. I mean, this thing is possible. You've seen it happen. So I don't even know why I should bother myself to really make you believe this. Now let's take a look at this testimonial again. His profit is 11k. He did something from the automobile niche, something that is not in Nigeria. His profit is 11k. And he presently doing about 10 orders a day on spending $5 on Facebook. $10. $5 spent, 10 orders. And his pure profit is 11,000 naira. He said, I know that when I scale up the ask to about $25 a day, I should easily do 50 orders. And that's it. That's 50 times 11. Do the math yourself. And this is not like he was born with any internet knowledge. I mean, these are people who know nothing. Maybe they ran into me somehow, but they are doing it. You can do it. I know you can. I know you can. And then another one said, boss man, thanks. I've worked it out and sorted it out. Okay. That continued from another email. A lot of 615k just entered now. Boss man, like I said on our 1 million video webinar, I've known you since 2018, bought Ecom Tycoon, learned from you. Is awesome. Learning from you is awesome. God bless you, boss man. Thank you, sir. This guy is in somewhere in Delta, I think in Whaley or something. From there, he does this thing. So I don't know what the excuse is, except you are okay with begging, you're okay with being broke. But it's up to you. It's a choice you need to take. Now, if you're not convinced, I can't help you, right? That's the truth. If you're not convinced, I can't help you. All right? But if you're convinced, here are the things you'll get inside the 1 p.m. program. 1 p.m. program. Inside the One Product Miracle program, these are what you get quickly. For the next 3 months, you get a list of 3 saturation proof winning evergreen products every month. That means you get 9 products together for the next 3 months from now in the health niche. They're going to be in the health niche. All right. If there's any reason to change to the other niche, is fine, but then they're going to be in the health niche for now. The links and where necessary, the direct contact details of sellers. So you just import and profit, and that's valued at 25,000 naira. You will need a domain name, yes. Don't do all those Jankara marketing on Facebook where they just drop everything on the comment section on the ad there. No, you need it. But then you don't need to hire a web developer to do any of these things for you. Yes. So we will show you where to register your domain name for 1 year for free. Where to register your domain name for 1 year for free, valued at 35. And then you host the domain name. So we'll give you the cheapest foreign host. I'm a Nigerian, a very proud one, but I wouldn't advise you to host with a Nigerian host, right? Especially Nigerian hosts who are having their whatever in Nigeria. So I'll give you a host where you pay 375 naira per month. 375 naira per month, but you pay per year and then you forget about it, which is not even up to 5k. I'll give you a professionally written sales copy for the 3 products. I'll give you the sales copy. Like a professionally written sales copy that I wrote myself, not like I outsourced them, I wrote them myself. And they have solidly done comfortable 6 figures in sales. All yours. Do whatever you like to do with it, even if you want to sell it. And this is valued at 300k, each of them for 100k. That's the real value if I'm to sell it separate. Alright? Then I'll give you a simple cut and paste template to help you design your pages in a fly. Not only giving you the copy, but giving you a template to help you design your pages in a fly. I told you, you'll not be needing a web designer in whatever way. Just import, edit, and save, and boom, you have a standard site ready to rock, valued at 25k. This is powerful. It was difficult for me to actually add this one. Provide you all the Facebook ad copies, images, and videos to use for your ad. Just pop them into your ad manager and roll, rock and roll. rock and roll 15K. Like I give you the videos of those 3 products or those 9 products or the images and the copy that you have to use on Facebook. So I just put them in your ad and then you rock and roll. Yeah. Compliant. Facebook ad compliant. Then give you access to a $97 worth page building software. With this tool, even a zombie can pull up beautiful looking pages in minutes. Even a zombie. I suck at everything tech, but I do my pages myself using this tool. So no need to waste your time on web designers, and it's valued at 42,000 naira. Then I'll hand you over a no-fail FB strategy, a course done by one of my team, somebody in my team, for newbies, especially if you don't know anything about Facebook ads, how to click the first mouse, go from the point A to you go to the main point, right? Even if you haven't run Facebook ad before, it's cool. You can learn from this. 25,000 naira worth. Then add you to a premium member-only Telegram group or channel, where you have direct access to me for 3 months, only 3 months, don't ask beyond that 3 months, right? So you can interact and ask me any type of question, even if it's outside income. Maybe you want to ask me how to manage your home, how my house, how my family is sweet, how I keep good family and balance in between work, and stuff. 35K, yeah, that's what it's worth. All this put together is about 476,000 naira. You can do the math yourself if you have all the time, right? But then I'm not going to, throw in all those marketing gimmicks and all that, but then I'm going to go straight to the point, and that is telling you that the first 25 persons who jump in within the next 24 hours from now will get a 95% discount. Now, I am having plans of putting these things together and taking them to Expertnia, which is a digital platform where you sell physical digital products. And when you go there, you can't sell below anything 50K because, of course, the owners will take 50% and I'll take 50. That's 25, my 25 and it's 25, right? So, before I do that, I might be doing that anytime. Anytime I put them together, I'll take it to Expertnia. Anytime you come to the page and notice that it has increased, then that's it. Right? So, it might be tomorrow, it might be next. I don't know. I know that a lot of people would fall for this, but they have a lot of people who are ready to promote this. So, I am going to be putting them together and taking them to Expertnia. If you go to Expertnia, the price is going to increase to 50,000 naira. I'm just saying this because you are part of me, you've been with me, and I need to really be upfront and tell you the truth. So, if you don't want to miss out on a 95% discount, which is like getting it at 24,000 naira instead of for 476,000 naira, that's 95% discount. They are paying 24,998 if you come in right now. The first 25 persons, yeah? 95%, staggering 95% discount. So, but for the first 25 persons, after the price slightly increases, I'm not even slightly increasing anything again. I'm putting them together and I'm sending them to Expertnia for 50,000 naira. So that Expertnia will take 25, I'll take 25 on every sale. So if you miss out right now, or if you come back tomorrow or next and then you see the price changing, that will mean that you are going to buy it from Expertnia. If you must buy it, and that's at 50K, is up to you. But at least I warned you. So, but today, remember, you're not paying 476,000 naira. You're not even paying 50K that you may sell for at Expertnia, but 24,998 for the first 25 persons who jump in within the next 24 hours. Remember, you're not the only one on this training right now. 25% sounds like a big number, but imagine 1% of these 332 persons take advantage of this. If you don't understand what it means, do the math yourself and see that 25 may not even be something that will last beyond here. So it's up to you, right? So remember, you are getting all these things 3 months. You are getting 3 products every month. You need a domain name. Yes, I'll show you how to get one for free. You get a cheap hosting, a professional written copies for all the products I give you. We'll give you a simple cut and paste template to help you design your pages. Provide you Facebook ad copies, images, videos to use in your copy. Just pop them in and roll. Alright? Give you access to a $97 software worth for 2,000 naira. Hand you over my no-fail FB strategy course for newbies. Add you to a premium member only Telegram group channel where you have direct access to me for 3 months, so you can ask me anything beyond e-com, about e-com, anything. Now, there's a link somewhere on the screen, and if you're on mobile phone, it's right below this video. If you're on a PC, it's by the right hand side. Click on that link and you should be able to pick up the 1 p.m. program right now without wasting time at discount price. So click on that link right now if you don't want to miss out, or somehow, if you can't see the link, pop out a browser, go to patrickogidi.com/1pm. The 1 is number, like 1 p.m. patrickogidi.com/1 p.m. Alright? Now, if you click on that link right now, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. And here you have 2 options of paying. If you are a archaic person who like paying to bank, they don't want to use their card online, which is 100% risk-free as a matter of fact, because it's CBN backed, it's government backed, they can't do anything funny. They've been there for over 5 years right now, and it's getting more than over 60 million people use them these days, and it's cool, right? And if you do that, if you do the second option, if you pay through Paystack with your card, which is 100% free, safe, you can get instant access even if it's 2 a.m. in the morning or 1 p.m. in the night without having to send me an email. But then if you're a bit old school like my mom, who is having an ATM card, they want to do a bank transfer, *737, bank deposit, whichever way. But then after doing that, you have to make sure you send an email to 1pm@praticalguido.com so that we can take care of that and verify your payment and send you the information right away. And if you going with the second option, which is online and give you instant access, you click on it, you get a page like this, fill out the details. Then you have option of paying with your card or paying with USSD. With your card, just put in your card details there, click on pay 24,998 and it automatically pays. Or if you pay with if you want to pay with USSD or to the bank as well, you can also pay with bank here or to USSD. If it's USSD, there will be a number to dial on the screen. Dial that number and you instantly be redirected on the screen to the thank you page where you get access to the program. So upon successful payment, you get sent to a page like this, whether you pay by bank or by Paystack, you get sent to a page like this. And then subsequently you get an email giving you further instructions on how to really get access to the program. All right. So right now you're left with two choices: do nothing and not take this offer, which is 100% risk free, or pony up small investment today compared to all the values you get in return and just give it a shot. Well, if you get access right now, I assure you it will be a wise choice that will sure affect your life in a great way. I assure you. I'm actually holding my chest right now. But if you decide not to join us, it's still cool. But then it's still a choice. It's still a choice. But remember, for just 24,998 and not 50k that you may be selling in the coming days, in the coming weeks in Espatnia, and for the first 25 persons who jump in, remember, over 3,000 persons have registered for this call, and of course, a good number should be on the call right now. So, what you get again, you can take your time to go through them again. They are power value loaded, right? You're getting all these things from me. And yes. Click on the link that just showed up on your screen by the right hand side if you're on PC, or below the webinar window if you're on mobile phone, or simply go to praticalguido.com/1 as a number 1 p.m. praticalguido.com/1 p.m. Alright? If you come in right now, in this presentation right now without leaving the screen, alright? If you come in right now, okay, before the countdown timer is showing on the screen, counts down. If you come in right now, I'll give you a course I created some time ago. I call it the automated webinar cache, whereby you can set up, use a 30 minutes recorded video that you did not record to create a recurring income for yourself. I don't want to go further than this, but a lot of persons have been able to collect 1.9 million naira with this system. And you can actually do that, even if it's a side business. I mean, we want to make as much money as we want because we don't know how this economy is going. We don't know how a lot of things are turning around. So we want to make as much money as we can. So automated webinar cache, if you come in right now, you're getting that for free. Remember, if you come in right now, I'm talking about right now without leaving the screen. That's when you get that. And that's all. Like if you come in right now, I'm actually going to do something crazy I've not done before. I will give you access. Okay, the 5 persons to come in right now, I'll give them access to my Facebook ad guy. What people don't know is I don't run Facebook ad myself. That's how you hardly see me comment about Facebook ad or tell people I'll talk about Facebook ad. I mean, I focus on my strength and I outsource all those worries to people who are good at it. I have somebody who manages my Facebook ad. What he does is every day, he gives me reports. If money for the ad finishes, I send it to him. So I will connect you with that guy. He takes just 5 clients every week. All right. I will connect you with that guy. I'm the only one is working for right now. So I think 4 persons are still remaining. So I'll connect you to that guy so that you can focus on Facebook. And while you take care of every other thing, that is exactly how to really grow, how to make big money. All right. So you're getting automated webinar cache and you're getting access to my Facebook ad guide if you take action right now. Now there are a couple of questions. I know a lot of them are coming in. Over 300 as you can see because the system is set in such a way that yes, you can forward the question to my email. I don't want to make this training a very long one. Okay, but then again, before I see if I can take a couple of questions, remember, I promised 2 things. Like if you stay to the end promise, remember, how to make sure people pick your call. People are bothered. How do I make people pick my call? And how do I, they pick the call, then when we deliver, they do not pick call, or when they fill the form, they are not picking call anymore. We call them. The truth is, let me tell you the truth. It's very crazy, but let me tell you the truth. Don't count an order as successful, or don't count it as an order until the person says bring it, and you ask the person again, should I bring it? Yes. You are paying 15k? Yes. we're handing it over to delivery company and they may take 2 to 3 days to bring it to you. Is that okay? Yes. If you run the person through the question, run the person again. Make the person angry. Let the anger make him not take it. It saves you money and headache. It saves you the wahala than, because you see another, somebody fill a form, you rush and send it, and then because the delivery companies will charge you for not delivering. Because their job is to pick it up and send to the person, and the person fails to take it, yes, you will still pay them. Alright? So that's good. It's very harsh, but that's exactly the only way that have kept my that kind of experience very low for us in our company. That's what we do. So we'll make sure we put the customer in a position that will get him angry. Not like you get him angry. I mean, push him so that you get angry and say no. Because if he says no, it's likely he'll say no if you don't do it that way, right? Now, the second one is, I'll get back to you people. What do you, like you're chatting with a client, a customer fills a form or something, and then you tell them the price or you tell them about something and tell you, I'll get back at you. What do you do? Well, just a line of code. Tell them, okay, sir, that's fine. But if you're calling back and the line is busy, keep calling, because we have too many calls, right? Thank you. Drop it like that and see how you lit a fire in their head. They'll say, okay, wait, or they will call immediately and say, I'm ordering, or send a test. Now, the truth is, 3 out of 10 of people who tell us, I will call you back, I'll get back to you. And 3 to 4 out of 10 always send their orders immediately. And the truth is, they end up picking it because we've created some sense of scarcity. People want your products, and that is exactly what people like. They want to believe that they are buying something people are already buying, people love, that is high. I mean, something that is valuable. So these are the 2 systems to use and to keep all this headache away as much as possible. Now, there are a lot of questions here. Somebody's asking me, can we not import now because of, importation never stops. I understand that it became very slow and all that, but it never stops. So, I have all of your questions, please. They've been redirected to my email. What I will do right now is I'm going to log in right now to my email. I'll take my time and reply to all of them. Once again, thank you for attending this event. It's no feat I take lightly. I don't take it lightly for your time. That's why I make sure I give you and even over-deliver as much as I can. Thank you once again. If you have further questions, my email address is on the screen there, parts@patrickogidi.com. I will always reply. That comes to me directly. I will always reply. Again, it's patrickogidi.com/1 p.m. Go grab it right now. I can see a lot of people already coming in. Go grab it right now if you don't want to stand the risk of paying more on Spartnia. Thank you once again for attending, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.